I don't remember a world without ranch dressing. So I'm going to show you my healthy version of ranch because the ones in the store are just full of, unfortunately, a bunch of junk. So I've got about 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. I'd say about 1/2 cup of buttermilk. If it's too thick, you can just add more. That is the power of having extra ingredients on hand. Here's the secret weapon. Garlic. I am such a huge fan of garlic. I love a garlicky ranch dressing. Here's my favorite kitchen gadget, microplaning. So then it's almost impossible. I won't say it's completely impossible, but you will not rip up your fingers as you are grating garlic in there. And so it's teeny tiny little pieces of garlic. So then nobody really complains and says, oh my gosh, I just got a huge bite of garlic. So here's my next piece. You can chop up fresh herbs. I got these out of my garden. So I've got some dill, I've got some parsley. You can kind of roll them up and chop them, which is called a chiffonade, which is just so fancy. Or you can kind of do the lazy girl, which I'm doing today, which I am just taking my scissors. They do not have to, oopsie, I probably should. See, no problems. Probably chop that up. You don't need special culinary scissors. You can just take scissors off of your kid's desk and clean them up a little bit, and all of a sudden you have got just an absolutely phenomenal kitchen tool for almost no money. So lots of fresh herbs, which I love. And then I will do a little squeeze of lemon, but let's put it on the blender, see what happens. Okay, I just gave it a couple pulses. Pulse is what you want. You don't want the herbs to be really pulverized. Pulsed it about 3 times. I'm adding a fair amount of black pepper. I love this squeeze of lemon. It's gonna give it a little bit of bite and also kind of knock that Greek yogurt flavor down. Not that there's anything wrong with Greek yogurt. So this is a very high protein ranch dressing, which I love. I'm gonna give it a serious pinch of salt. I'm gonna just add a smidge of garlic salt and a smidge of garlic powder. You can never have too much garlic, I am telling you, but everybody in the whole family has to have it. Otherwise, there's gonna be some serious bad breathing. And then just take a shower, obviously, but also just adjust your seasoning. And then you might even wanna add, oh my gosh, you might even wanna add a little bit more fresh herbs. You can make it thicker. Don't add the buttermilk, and then it can be like a ranch dip for veggies out of your garden or veggies from the farmer's market. So this should keep in your fridge for about a week. Again, high protein ranch salad dressing for probably under $5 for this whole carafe. So enjoy.